To find deals on Klarna Credit Check, start by understanding what Klarna is and how it works. Klarna is a payment service that allows consumers to pay for purchases in installments or with a credit limit. When you apply for Klarna Credit, you may be subject to a soft or hard credit check depending on the type of credit you apply for. Step 1 is to check your credit report to ensure there are no errors or negative marks that could affect your credit score. You can request a free credit report from the 3 major credit bureaus and review it carefully. Step 2 is to set up a Klarna account and apply for credit. Klarna will perform a soft credit check which will not affect your credit score. If you are approved for credit, you can start shopping and taking advantage of deals and promotions. Step 3 is to look for deals and discounts on the Klarna website or through the Klarna app. Klarna often partners with retailers to offer exclusive deals and discounts to its customers. You can browse through the available deals and apply the ones that interest you. Step 4 is to use the Klarna price comparison tool to find the best deals on the items you want to purchase. This tool allows you to compare prices across different retailers and find the lowest price. Step 5 is to take advantage of Klarna's price match guarantee. If you find a lower price on an item you purchased using Klarna Credit, Klarna will refund the difference. Best practices include making timely payments to avoid interest charges and late fees and keeping your credit utilization ratio low to maintain a healthy credit score. By following these steps and best practices, you can find deals on Klarna Credit Check and make the most of your shopping experience.